All right, we are staying at the French Quarter, Port Orleans, and we are in 5101, and we want to take you on a room tour. So come on, let's check it out. So first look, it is a very, very nice room. First, I want to point out it is an accessible room. So first couple things I noticed, being an accessible room, they have a door lock here at the top, and then they have a lower one down here as well for those that might be handicapped in a wheelchair. Then they also have a peephole up high and then one down low as well for someone that might be handicapped in a wheelchair. So that's just kind of one of the things there for an accessible room. But continuing on with the room tour, just here to the right of the door, there is a full-length mirror, so that's nice. And then just to the side of that is our first nightstand. And nice little drawer there. And then we got two plugs and two USBs. Always nice for charging up all your equipment. And we always have quite a bit with filming and everything. So it's nice to have all those accessible to us. Very nice king size bed. This is a king size room. So very nice, feels very comfortable. Nice to see the towel Mickey here. Don't see that very often anymore. So nice to see that. Such a nice little touch. Such a warm welcome to the room. A nice little thing there from the housekeeping. Our hope is that your room feels welcoming and adds to the amazing memories you will create here. Thank you for choosing Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. Sincerely, your housekeeping team. See, it's just little things like that that make Disney so amazing. And I really appreciate that. So it's just another look at the bed. I love that. The back post to the bed, that's pretty cool. So nice. So very, you know, French Quarter. You think that look, that style, New Orleans, kind of that flair that you think of, and that kind of setting, and those lamps that kind of match that decor as well. And then another nightstand on this side. It also has the two plugs and the two USBs. And then some kind of nice, kind of old style, maybe New Orleans look there. It's very nice. Let's move over here. So this is across from the bed. We have a very nice like armoire here to place our hang-up clothes or whatever we'd like in here. So we have plenty of hangers. I'd say this lower shelf is probably to help with the accessible room. Like I said, there is an iron in here. There's a full-size ironing board. Always nice, like I said, to have a full-size ironing board instead of just like the little lap ones. To the left of that is a really nice full-size chest of drawers. So all these open up. And then this other one over here is, of course, your refrigerator. Very nice size refrigerator. There is no freezer. So with us keeping bottles cold, we do have to take our freezer packs down to the front desk to keep our freezer packs cold. So it's kind of a bummer, no freezer, but that seems to be kind of the case in most rooms. So, but it is a pretty nice size refrigerator. Up here on top, they do have some more plugs and USBs, so very nice on that side and on this side as well. So both sides of the chest of drawers. Here, right here in the center, is a little coffee pot. Got some teas available to you, sweet and low, sugar, whole selection of coffees, creamers, coffee cups. You got your ice pail. This was just a nice little treat too. They have some Mardi Gras beads in the shape of a Mickey head on the table. So just that Disney magic all around the room just makes you feel so welcomed and so excited to be at Disney. It's just those little touches that just make Disney so magical. And those are sitting on a nice little table over here with 2 chairs, so you can just kind of enjoy your time here in your room. And we are on a corner room, so it's kind of nice. We have a nice big window on this side and a second nice big window on this side, and we can kind of look out and over the courtyard and get this kind of a nice view in the morning if we open up both those windows. And we're actually just right outside like the main area where you can go to the restaurant or the front office or whatever you need to get to. That's just right outside our window. So we got a great location, and the pool is actually just right out our door this way. So we have an awesome location. Like I said, 5101. If you want to try and get in that room, it's a great location. Let's go take a look at the bathroom now. Very nice bathroom. So it does have a sliding door here to kind of separate from the main room. Take a look in here. So your basic toilet, like I said, is accessible room. So it does have some bars here to help with that. A couple of trash cans, your makeup mirror, plenty of TP. Just have a safe over here you can use. Swing around this way. Got plenty of towels available to us. A nice big mirror here. Nice sink, some towels, some lotion and shampoo. We got a hair dryer, another towel up here. These little cubby spaces are pretty nice. Just kind of store your cosmetics or toiletries or whatever you need to. So you stay here at the resort. And then take a look here at the shower. Seems kind of like a little older shower than some resorts I've stayed in, but it's still pretty nice. It's kind of a deep tub if you want to relax and chill in the tub. But then it has kind of has this handheld shower. I assume that's probably because in its accessible room that it has that, and it has a couple of bars here as well. But then it also has one of the large rain head showers. So very nice. Looking forward to trying this out and enjoying this to kind of end my long, hard day that we've had today. We've been at SeaWorld all day today, so we're both tired and ready to call it a night. So that's pretty much our room. Oh, they do have the shampoo, the conditioner, and body wash on the wall as well, just like every Disney resort does. So very nice room overall. Super excited to stay here. We've never stayed at Port Orleans before, and just walking up, we really enjoyed it. It's very peaceful here. Such a nice place. I think we're gonna have a great time, and hope it's someplace you might check out and enjoy. I also wanted to mention that they have these ceiling fans in the room too, which is a nice touch. You don't see many Disney hotel rooms with ceiling fans in them. I know personally I love having a ceiling fan in my room while I sleep. It's just so nice having that air circulated around in the room, helps cool things down easier. So it's just such a nice touch. Like I said, such a rare thing to see in a Disney room. So I just want to point that out and show everybody. Plus it has a light in the bottom as well. Just helps brighten things up easier as well. So hope you check this resort out, and hope you maybe think about staying at Port Orleans next time you come to Disney and stay.